Dear children, previous video I have explained exercise 2.2 question number 9. Now I am going to explain question number 10. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 3, find the value of the following expressions. A value it is given here 2, B is equal to minus 3. We want to find the value of the following expressions. Question number A raised to B into B raised to A. Question number B, A raised to B divided by B raised to A. Question number C, A by B raised to B plus B by A raised to A. So first I am going to find out the value of A raised to B into B raised to A. We have to substitute the values A, B values here in place of A and B. Then first question, A raised to B into B raised to A is equal to, substitute value, A value it is given here in the question 2, B is equal to minus 3. So in place of A we will write 2 raised to B, B is equal to minus 3. After that it is sign into B raised to A, B is equal to minus 3 raised to A is equal to 2. Then that is equal to 2 raised to minus 3. Exponent is a negative integer. We are going to make it as a positive integer. How can we make it as a positive integer? For that we will use the formula A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to positive m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to positive m. So 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to, what will come answer? 1 by 2 raised to 3 into minus 3 raised to 2. It is a positive exponent, so we can multiply that. Minus 3 raised to 2 means it will come. Minus 3 is multiplying 2 times, that is minus 3 into minus 3. That is equal to 1 into minus 3, minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 means 2 is multiplying 3 times, that is equal to 9 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 9 divided by 8. Now question number B, A raised to B divided by B raised to A. A is equal to 2 raised to B is equal to minus 3 divided by B raised to A. B is equal to minus 3 raised to A. A is equal to 2. Then that is equal to, here also we are going to use that same formula. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by A raised to m. 2 raised to minus 3 is equal to, what will come answer? 1 by 2 raised to 3 divided by minus 3 raised to 2. Minus 3 is multiplied 2 times, minus 3 into minus 3. That is equal to 1 divided by 2 raised to 3. 2 is multiplying 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. After that what is the sign? Divided by minus 3 into minus 3, minus into minus, plus 3 3s are 9. That is equal to 1 divided by 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 divided by 9. Now dividing two rational numbers, we have to multiply it, that is first rational number into reciprocal of the second rational number. 9 of course we can write as 9 divided by 1. So that is equal to, what will come answer? 1 divided by 8. This divide sign will become into, what is the reciprocal of 9 by 1? That is 1 divided by 9. Now multiply this, that is the answer. That is 1 into 1, 1 divided by 8 9s are 72. So 1 divided by 72, that is the answer. Now question number C. A by B raised to B plus B by A raised to A, that is equal to, first substitute the values. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to minus 3. So A by B, what will come? 2 divided by minus 3, 2 by minus 3 raised to A by B raised to B. B is equal to minus 3 plus after that here sign is plus b by a, b divided by a, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 raised to b by a raised to a is equal to 2. Then that is equal to 2 by minus 3 raised to minus 3. Here also exponent is a negative integer, so we are going to convert it into a positive integer. For that we will use that first formula, that is p by q raised to minus m is equal to, what was the formula? These formulas all we have studied first in this chapter. P by q raised to minus 3 is equal to, minus m is equal to, what is the formula? Reciprocal of that p by q, that is q divided by p raised to the power will become positive, that is m. So p by q raised to minus m is equal to q by p raised to m. So here what will come answer? 2 by minus 3 raised to minus 3. This power we are going to make into positive power. So it's a reciprocal you have to write, that is minus 3 by 2 raised to minus 3 will become plus 3 plus minus 3 by 2 raised to minus 3 by 2 raised to 2, that we will write as it is. Then that is equal to, now minus 3 by 2 raised to 3, minus 3 by 2 is multiplying 3 times, that is minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus minus 3 by 2 raised to 2 is multiplying, minus 3 by 2 is multiplying 2 times, that is minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2, that is equal to, now multiply minus into minus plus 9, 3 3s are 9, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 2s are 4 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 plus minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 2s are 4. Then that is equal to, again this one you have to multiply, plus into minus, this one is minus 3 by 2, minus into minus plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2 2s are 4. Only these first two rational bits I have multiplied, then again one more is there, so that we have to multiply. Plus into minus, minus 9 3s are 27 divided by 4 2s are 8 plus 9 divided by 4. Now adding two rational bits, we have to take the LCM of the denominators. 8 4, what is LCM of the denominators? 8 4, LCM it will come 8. Now find out the numerator. Numerator, how can we find out that? First rational number into LCM plus second rational number into LCM. First rational number minus 27 by 8, minus 27 by 8 into LCM 8, after that sign plus second rational number 9 by 4 into 8, 9 by 4 into 8, that is equal to 8 8 we can cancel here, minus 27 plus 8 by 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 2s are 18 divided by 8, that is equal to minus 27 plus 18. One number is negative and one is positive, substituting and putting largest number sign. Then 27 minus 18, what will come answer? 9, and putting largest number sign. What is the largest number? 27. Its sign is negative, so it will come minus 9 divided by 8. That is the answer. Okay, now question number 11. Express 9 raised to minus 13 as an exponent with a positive power and base 3. This 9 raised to minus 13 we have to express as an exponent with a positive power. We have to express it as a positive power and the base should be 3. Here what is the base? Base is 9 and exponent is minus 13. We have to make it as a positive exponent and base we have to make it as 3. That is 9 raised to minus 13 is equal to 9 raised to minus 13 is equal to, first we have to make it as a positive power. For that we have to use the formula a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. 1 by a raised to m, we can write 1 by a the whole raised to m or 1 by a raised to m also we can write. Okay, now a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. 9 raised to minus 13 is equal to, what will come answer? 1 by 9 raised to 13. 1 by 9 raised to positive 13. Now this 9 we can write it as 1 by 9 we can write as 3 square. What is the value of 3 square? 3 is multiplying 2 times. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2 means 3 is multiplying 2 times, that is 3 3s are 9. So in place of 9 we can write as 3 raised to 2. So in place of 9 I wrote 3 raised to 2. The whole raised to, what is the power here? 13. In place of 9 I wrote 3 raised to 2 and the power is there 13. So first we made this negative as a positive exponent, 9 raised to minus 13. It is of the form a raised to minus m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 9 raised to minus 13 means it will come 1 by 9 raised to 13. That is equal to 1 by, in place of 9 I wrote 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2, the whole raised to, what is the power? 13. Now that is equal to 1 divided by, then 3 raised to 2, the whole raised to 13. You can use a formula. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to, you have studied the formula. What is the formula? A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. A raised to m into n. So 3 raised to 2, the whole raised to 13 is equal to, what will come answer? 3 raised to 2 into 13, that is equal to 1 divided by 3 raised to 2 into 13, that is 26. 1 divided by 3 raised to 26. Now this exponent or the power become positive and the base become 3. That is the answer. Now question number 12. Express 4 raised to 24 as an exponent with base 16. Express 4 raised to 24. 4 raised to 24 as an exponent with base 16. Here what is the base? 4 is the base and 24 is the exponent. We have to make it as an exponent with base 16. This 4 we have to make it as 16. That much only. So here we have studied formula. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. This formula I am going to use just opposite. A raised to m into n is equal to a raised to m, the whole raised to n. That means 4 raised to 24 we can write as 4 raised to 2 into 12. 2 into 12, what is the answer? 12 2s are 24. So in place of 24 I wrote 2 into 12. So now it is of the form a raised to m into n. A raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. So this formula just opposite also we can write. A raised to m into n is equal to a raised to m, the whole raised to n. So this 4 raised to 2 into 12 we can write it as 4 raised to 2, the whole raised to 12. So it will become a raised to m, the whole raised to n is equal to a raised to m into n. Then it will become 4 raised to 24. We will get the answer. So just we are splitting this 24 into 2 into 12, and that we are using this formula. A raised to m into n is equal to a raised to m, the whole raised to n. So 4 raised to 2, the whole raised to 12 it will come. That is equal to 4 raised to 2. What is the answer? 4 raised to 2. 4 raised to 2 means 4 is multiplying 2 times. 4 4s are 16. So 4 raised to 2 is equal to, what is the answer? 16 raised to, what is the power? 12. So now 4 raised to 24 we have expressed it as an exponent with base 16. So the answer is 16 raised to 12. So write down this and practice it at home. Thank you so much.